Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using FaaastCash Express Loan. FaaastCash Express Loan, a comprehensive review and user experience. FaaastCash Express Loan offers a convenient online platform designed to connect borrowers with lenders specializing in short-term loans. All relevant links to the product are provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. This service is particularly well suited for individuals experiencing unexpected expenses, emergencies, or temporary cash flow gaps. With loan amounts generally ranging between $100 and $1,500, FaaastCash Express Loan provides a solid option for those needing a small financial boost without the complexities of a lengthy approval process. The application process is incredibly straightforward and can be completed entirely online within minutes. Once approved, funds are often deposited directly into your bank account as quickly as the next business day, ensuring rapid access to the necessary finances. A key feature of FaaastCash Express Loan is its accessibility. The platform caters to a broad spectrum of credit scores, including individuals with less than perfect credit histories. Rather than relying solely on credit scores, lenders within the FaaastCash Express Loan network conduct a more holistic evaluation of your current financial situation to assess eligibility. This inclusive approach makes it a viable alternative for borrowers who may have faced rejection from traditional banking institutions. Transparency is another notable advantage. The platform allows for thorough review of all loan terms, including interest rates and repayment schedules, before committing to any specific offer. However, since FaaastCash Express Loan operates as a connecting platform rather than a direct lender, the terms can vary considerably depending on the specific lender you are matched with. It's therefore essential to carefully review the details of each offer to ensure alignment with your individual financial circumstances. FaaastCash Express Loan is particularly well suited for individuals prioritizing a fast and hassle-free loan process, eliminating the need for in-person visits to a physical location. While this convenience is a significant benefit, borrowers should be aware of the potential for higher interest rates, which are common with short-term loans. In summary, FaaastCash Express Loan offers a practical and efficient solution for addressing urgent financial requirements. It provides swift access to funds through a user-friendly platform and a network of adaptable lenders. If this aligns with your needs, check the links provided in the description to begin your application today. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this review insightful and helpful.